Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create animated videos just using AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and search for Lexical. Open the first site that comes up and log in with your account. Now if you don't have any account, then simply create one so that you can continue along. And after logging in, you will see this kind of interface in front of you. Here, search for the character you want to animate using AI. I'm going to search for the cartoon character that's front facing, and after searching and selecting the model or image, download it from the site. Now open up a new tab and search for background remover. Open the first site that lets you change the background to any color you want. After opening the preferred site, upload the image and just change its background to green. And after the placement of the background, download the finalized image to your PC. Now open the new tab and search for DIDAI. After that, open up the first site and scroll down on the page. Select the Create Free AI Videos button and a new page will open up. Here, just log in with your account. Now here again, if you don't have any account, then just simply create one so that you can continue along. Anyway, so after the account is set up completely along with the important credentials, you'll be brought to this page. On this page, to create a new project, simply click on Create Project button at the top left corner or another one present at the top right corner. After that, you will be redirected to its editor page. Here, select the model or image you wish to animate using AI. You can also upload your own local images by selecting the plus icon at the start and then selecting the preferred image. Now, to write the script for the animation, there is a separate dialog box available at the top right corner. Simply type in the words or sentences you want the model or character to speak. You can also select the audio from your local device. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the script and then select the accent along with the voices and style. You can animate the character and make it speak any of the language available in the list. After selecting the preferred language at settings, click on Generate Video. A new dialog box with Generate Video button will appear in front of you. Here, just click on Generate Video again to confirm the making. Then just wait for a few minutes so that the AI creates and animates the image according to the given instructions. And after that, after the video results are generated, just select the video and play it. You can play it online to check the results before downloading them. After you are satisfied, download the video by clicking on the download button and you are done. And that's how you can create animated videos just using AI. So that's all for today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.